Kennedy, Kennedy. Say it is October 27th, and we're about to move to Mama and Papa's. Yeah? Can you tell me how excited you are to move? Kennedy, how about if I say, okay, how about if I say, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey, can you do a raspberry? Yeah. Can you do it? Can you do it? Goodness. Goodness. Yeah. Yippee, 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 yippee. I'm gonna get you. Yeah. Oh, you tooted, you tooted.